The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. Good morning, G-Man. We're ready to rock and rumble. Market still trending downward after yesterday. FOMC 50 basis points was the answer of the day. And market quickly rocketed down, tried to recover. And now we're at a lower point than at any point yesterday, although it's trying to come back up. That's actually right at yesterday's lows. Total range here on NQ 898 down to 691. So all just under, or just just under 200 points of range. Big moves. Morning, Robin. How are you doing? Copper. Copper's been moving overnight, about 140 ticks of range. Gold, big fall there, back under 1800, well under 1800. Oops, move that there. Almost 40 points in range on gold. That's pretty big. Ultra bond, it's about a point of range. Natural gas is under 200 ticks of range, and last but not least, we have crude oil rising up. Yeah, its high was 77.77. Sometimes I think stuff like that is amazing. Seems manipulated. Just kidding. Anyway, 140 ticks of range or so. That's where we sit or stand. And we'll see what the ES here is doing. It's falling, falling, falling. You can see the trend overnight was short. Entry. Entry. Oops, missed it by. There we go. Entry. Entry. It's tried to bounce back up here since 3 hours ago. Really? Yeah, about 3 hours ago. But now trying to head back there. You can see up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Morning, Deb. How are you today? So, rocking and rolling, ready to go. Got my Tradovate window up. Theoretically, just missed a short right there. Yep, so that went good. I was there talking about the overnight ranges. That would have been a good one right there. Still trying to grind down. Low of the day on ES. Low was back here. Way down there. Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee. 391.75. Our Christmas poll of the day about Christmas lights. Do you prefer white or multicolored? So we're watching here. See it bounce a little bit there. You see crude there. It's stuck between its 100 and its 200 EMA. Watching for our first entry of the day. Down definitely seems to be the direction. Be interested to see if the market starts pulling it back up after this big fall. News today. We do have news, of course. Every Thursday we have unemployment. Now, even before the 8:30 news, we have 8:15 ECB monetary policy statement, uh, and the Canadian housing starts annualized. ECB interest rate. So that's basically their FOMC. So we got to be careful of that. 8:15. Then, of course, at 8:30 we have U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. retail sales month over month, U.S. core retail sales, U.S. Philly Fed business index, New York Fed manufacturing. Wow. U.S. continued jobless claims, U.S. retail sales year over year. And then at 9:15 we have U.S. industrial production month over month and a couple of other lesser reports. So we have a minefield of news this morning. Absolute minefield. So we shall navigate that. Try not to get a leg blown off. You pop back up there on ES. Put a little V shape there. Could have been a good play right there again. Right here. It's just not. It's kind of plays I guess I gotta get more comfortable taking. Got through the 200 and the 20. Well, I'm sorry, the 200 and 100 and the 20. 200 just kind of. See, it's bounced off this 200 once, twice, three times. Knock three times. Oh. Sitting on it. Sitting on. There we go. There's a move up. That was a good bounce play right there. Is it going to continue up here? That's the question. That is the question. High over here is 39.95.75. Up, 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 up. It's tried four times now. It's failing. We're long. If it breaks back down underneath that 200, that will probably get out. Probably waited too long to get in, honestly. Should have got in after the break there. Yeah, it's a 1 minute chart, G-Man. So yeah, that was the better entry there. But hey, there we go. It's getting close to where it topped earlier here, so get a couple of additional ticks. Struggling at 39.95. Still struggling right here. Gonna give it another couple minutes and I'll exit with the 3 ticks. A couple of seconds, I should say, not minutes. Hey Dakota, how you doing? I'm out. 2 tick winner, not much. 25 bucks, but definitely did not seem to want to break there. Good morning, Matt. See if I got shaken out too early. Doing alright. Thanks for asking. Why did I get out there? So, why did I let it shake me out there? Just because you can see we've hit this level 3 times and failed, or well, there was 2 other times and failed. So, I didn't trust it. We'll see if it finally breaks there. Yeah, this went well. Yep, just went up higher. So if only did kind of break, could have got my profit target on it. That's okay. Thank you, Dakota. Yep. So finally got above these levels. If I had held, obviously I could have got my full 2 points there, but. So now we wait for our next opportunity. We do got some market movement today, obviously. It's been definitely not rangy. Remember, we have news 30 minutes and 45 minutes away. Cat's asking for his back to be rubbed. Seems to know when I'm busy. back a bit. Just a bit. By about 2 points, back down. So we still keep having these peaks. One peak, 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 peak over. Gold's rising up nicely. I'm sorry, crude's rising up nicely. Gold's doing basically the same moves here as the indices. Boop, 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 boop. Guys. Copper. That was a nice little dip back up. And not that, it's only going a couple ticks. I thought it went more. My back hurts. Agriculture, kind of up and down. Bitcoin, found 17.6. So 5 straight red candles down from 39.96 down to 39.93. About a 3-point drop. It's an interesting looking bounce there off the 20 and the 200. Watching possible entry here. Seems like it's struggling to get below 39.93. Figures. Yeah. Hesitated on that one only because it looked like it was struggling there, but that was an entry. So far it's got a point. Yep, that would have been great. Gosh darn it. Well, there's a break of the 100, so we'll try playing that. 20 seconds to go on this 1 minute candle. We'll take the short there on the break of the 100. We're going to do a tight stop right at the top of that last candle. So, that 6-tick stop. it's bouncing there. So my stupidity for hesitating on the first break. We'll see whether or not it comes back up. I don't know. I do feel a little tired today. I'm not sure why. Yep, stopped out. There we go. So there we go. Back to our comfy place in the red. $58 down.
Bah! Humbug!
That was a stupid move. I should have got in on the first break. I didn't. Thought it was going to continue down, but I realized that there was a danger that it wasn't. That we might be looking at a higher low here. So and moving back up, and this is exactly what happened. Morning, JC. So now we'll wait. It's coming right back up. Breaking it back above the 220. Gonna wait. I'm thinking we're gonna do a little consolidation here. You can see how wide the bands are right now on the RSI. Those need to unwiden. I'm not even sure that's a word. Unwiden. So it's gonna wait a bit. Let the market play. So how's everyone else doing on this chilly Thursday morning in December? Weather here has turned colder. High today is supposed to be 20 degrees less than yesterday. And today's the last day I'll get above freezing for the next 7 days at least. So it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Smack it. Matt, smack it. All electronics do better after you give it a good whack. So just right now it's just moving around this EMA. Bank of England just announced their. Oh no, they bounced. Bank of England an hour ago announced a rate hike, 3.5%. Good morning, Mandelbrot. Or wait, you told me a name yesterday, and now I forget it. See, that's what happens when I sleep. I forget things. JC jumping in on the S. Nice job there. Oh, right back down. This is what I thought. We're going to see some consolidation. Our bands got a little closer together there. Get a little closer. Don't be shy. Get a little closer with Arid Extra Dry. There we go. They should pay me for that commercial. Just sitting on the EMA. Sit in the EMA. Good morning, Leo. Or, how you doing? Remember, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Giving a little rise up here. Yay! So was that, did you have a green day yesterday, Leo? And there's JC's target. Nice job, JC. So we saw this little move down. I tried to play the break there. It didn't break. It went the other way. And moved up. Now, I could have played this break here, right here. And it would have got me 2. Would have got me 2 points. Wow, JC, it only went one more tick there above your target and then came right back down. I was short back here before you ever entered. I tried to it came down here. It broke the 100 EMA, and I took a short there and got stopped. Now here is another short-sided, another signal to the short side. Quick breakdown here, 5 points from where JC had his target that just hit here at the top of the hour. Shorting. Stop right at the EMA. Let's see if we continue this move down. I feel like I got a lot of slippage on that. Did get a lot of slippage on that. I should have done a limit order there, I guess. But not sure. Usually I don't see 2 ticks of slippage on ES. Usually it's just a tick. And still no Chris Moore. I'm not seeing Chris Moore at all this week. I hope he's okay. Back up. Well, pushing back down. Yeah, there we go. I like red. Yeah, gold's down. That's like a 40-point range the last I looked. Huge range. Stopped out again. So we're simply having a wonderful Christmas time here. Down $200 on the day. It's a pretty normal day for me at this point. Hi. Morning-ish.
Bah! Humbug!
That's no problem. At this point, like I said, I had given myself a deadline of, figuring this out by the end of the year. If not, then reevaluating, and I'm really realizing that I need to do that. All right. Bouncing here again off the EMA. But I don't know. Remember, we have news in 9 minutes. News at 8:15. News at 8:30. Ultra Bond opens in a few minutes. About 13. Moving down here into recently. And we're just kind of consolidating here right on the 100. All three moving averages are within a point of one another. It's back where I entered there, and so I would be in profit now. Again, I moved my stop closer, and it stopped me out top tick there. So yeah, if I hadn't moved my stop, I would be a tick away from target. There have been target. I would have got my target. As it continues to go down, 39.89. Our low over here, 39.88 and a quarter. Low of the day, 39.83. So there was the drop I was expecting. It just came up first and then back down. So I don't know if I should be, last few days I've been right a few times where I've gotten stopped and then it goes, and I'm not sure that should make me happy that I'm right or upset because I got stopped. So we're gonna switch to micros here because as usual I've already gotten this account in trouble. Yep. I mean, if you want to, this is the 15-minute chart on ES. Seems like it came up to that 20 EMA and just bounced off of it. Although, I mean, overall, I would think bullish too, but looks like we're consolidating first. You see how close those bands are. But yeah, got down a bit lower than this last low as it tries to push down. You can see it's gotten this area a couple of times. There and there. Oh, what do you mean, JC? Nice little pop up. But I take them off because they get rid of. But good night, Crypticon. Are you using a SMA or EMA, JC? 15 is here. It's 39.96 and a half right now for the 20 EMA on the 15-minute chart. So quick push up, then right back down. 15 seconds for the Europe rate policy. I don't know. I don't have a. I've never used Keltner. Uh, that was anticlimactic. Oh, there we go. That was less anticlimactic. Big bush down. Try to see what. Oh wow, it is really whipping. I don't see the number yet. There it is. 2.5% forecast was 2.5%. Deposit rate 2%. Forecast was 2%. That was quite the whip. So this candle opened at 39.90, whipped down to 39.82, low a day, I believe. Yeah, the new low a day. No, 39.91 and a half. Did not even get the low a day. But still whippy to the downside. Wow, the market just burst back up as soon as G-Man says he took a long at 86. Burst up to 92 and then bounced right back down. Remember, we have more news in less than 15 minutes. Retail sales and unemployment. Pushing down. and back up, back up, back up, back up. So definitely a little bit of a wildness here now. Still has not a broken low a day or a low night, whatever you want to say. It's trying to push down. Ultra Bond opens in about a minute 20. Move down. Still can't break that low day though. There's the low day break. Down to 39.79. Bounce back up to 39.81. Showing a little green. Down wick shows buying pressure. Back to red though. Nope, no reversal there. Another big move down. Market continues to sell off. See, this is our low yesterday. We're well below that. This could be our next support area. 11,647 on NQ. I'm not sure what that is on ES, but it's close. Did that dip there? And Ultra Bond opened, and it's also ripping down. It's been ripping down since the news. And there's another try to bounce. All right, good luck on that, JC. Hello, Zabak. This looks like a possible reversal. Taking a long here, I think. Why isn't it showing up? Oh, that's why it's not showing up. MES. Nope. Nope, nope. Maybe. I like that bullish engulfing candle there. I don't think it liked me. Maybe. We're in with 5 micros. Nope. 2 bars up and back down. News in 5 minutes. Be wary of that, guys. Stopped out. Good job, JC.
Bah! Humbug!
Stupid play on my part. Couple minutes till news. Gold continuing to come down here. Here's the gold chart for the day, out on the hourly. And you see this at some major rips down throughout the day, throughout the night. Tried to come back once and boom, boom. Ooh, crude just dumped some. Biggest candle we've seen there in a while. More news in just a couple minutes. Yep. Up. So down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So 20 seconds till more news. Unemployment and retail sales, and that's now. Doesn't know how to react to it. Just trying to push down more, I think. Nope, there's an up move. Wow. Pushed up 7 points. Right back down. Let's see what the numbers are. U.S. initial jobless claims 211K. Forecast is 232. So that was a beat. Retail sales month over month negative 0.6. Forecast was negative 0.2. So that was a miss. So mixed numbers here. The Philly Fed Business Index number's not in yet. Core retail sales negative 0.2. Expected was positive 0.1. New York Fed manufacturing negative 11.2, and they expected negative 1, so that seems to be a pretty big miss. Now, at 9:15, so 45 minutes from now, we also have U.S. industrial production month over month, which is another semi-big news report. Nice job, G-Man. Nice job, G-Man. Oh, you weren't telling me to repeat. Nice job, G-Man. Nice job, G-Man. So then a good trigger candle right here, but this news whippiness.
Just kind of hanging on the ZMA. Yeah, this would have been a good trigger candle right there. Down to the short side. Still heading down. So yeah, I mean this, yeah. What did you get 5 off of that, G-Man? Uh, I would have gotten there, and I would have so far only gotten 3. I had gotten in. Morning at Fizz. You must have got in. Oh, okay, makes sense. So okay, so you went for the breakup, and then okay, I got you. I got you. Bigger breakdown here, down to 39.74. Sorry, got distracted there for a minute. Yes, the short, yeah.
Much better. That would have given me the 5 that you go for. Or I would have easily got the 2 that I normally go for. But wow, this is really breaking down now. I have no idea why I don't have ES up on an hourly chart like I do in Q. But you can see here, this is our ES hourly. High of the day on ES was 40.43. Down to 39.73. It's a big, big drop. Yes, yes it is. And there's a bullish engulfing that got me in trouble back here. Oh, see, that would have got me in trouble. Yep, there's the move to the downside. See, I got 2 trigger candles off of this move to the downside. Here and here. And both of them were off news. And I'm iffy on playing news. So I didn't take either one. Tried to take a bounce there. That didn't work. It's trying to stair step its way up to the EMA. So we're at 39.76. It has made its way up to the EMA. And it bounced back down. Bounced down about 2 points, back up. Hang in here. About 45 minutes to the bell. But actually 30 minutes to more news, if I remember right. News all over the place today. Yes, 9:15 U.S. industrial production, month over month, U.S. capacity utilization, U.S. manufacturing output, U.S. industrial production. I'm trying to remember if all this stuff is normally in one day, or or if they're squeezing a whole bunch of stuff so there's like no news next week. Oh, there's a move down. So this is the type of move I usually try to look for, or I shouldn't say that. I've been looking at more. Got this move up to the EMA and then a bearish engulfing, and I was thinking this is going to move down, and then just the fact that I've already taken a bunch of losses this morning, I have no confidence. So, but that would have been a great setup right there. And it's stupid because if it had did this, like it did this where it turned it white and then back to blue, I would have more confidence in it, even though, I mean, it's the same move, just 2 ticks difference on the downside that it didn't get up to the EMA. So it's stupid not to take it, but morning ace. Down. Now this is a lower high. I mean, no, a higher low. A possible move to the upside. UB's running away. Oh yeah, UB is running away. fast as fast can be. You can't catch me. Yeah, I don't know. I like this move here on the 100 EMA up, slightly down, back up. That would have been a great entry right there. And it is gone from that point. Whoop, about 2/3 of a point, $750. Tickled the EMA there and back down. Ace goes short. Market says, okay, ace. New low a day, 39.70.75. So he's just got his 2. Although we are bouncing here. So I assume he got out. I think there's more down too. I think we're gonna have a down day. Although it could bounce at the open, I guess. We've been coming down all night long. All night long tonight. Good job, Zabak. Is that on, you playing 6E? Or M6E? Euro's rising up nicely there, pulled back some. Yep, and Ace, you were very, very right. More move to the downside there. She only stops in once every few weeks now. Just kind of popping back up now. Nice. Dakota. Oh, wow, yeah. Pull back and then boosh. UB is the winner of the morning so far. Well, I guess ES's fall is should be consideration too, but UV was almost straight. Just hanging right below this EMA, kind of like wash on the line. Sorry guys, I need to be talking more. I'm a little quiet today. I apologize for that. My brain's going too much on overload. So it was a nice bounce point there, 39.69.25. Let's go back to our hourly chart here for a second. Next support way back here, way back yonder on the Chattahoochee, 39.69. So it bounced off about the same level of this support area down here. I don't know what the heck that white line is there. But that support there from Monday. And then after that, our lows are down to 39.56 and 47. Yep. Move to the upside. Morning speed racer. So 6 straight green candles if you want to count that as a green candle. So after up, down, up, down, up. It's kind of pulling back a little bit there, JC. Hit a high of 145.13. Pulled back. Wow, actually, it's pulled back a bunch. Wish would have hit my 2-point target. Almost at the top of the hour. Crude oil opens in a minute or so. I understand that feeling very well. Not being able to decide what to do. Top of the hour. See what crude's doing. Falling. Not afraid of falling. It fell 22 ticks a couple minutes ago. Now it's trying to actually rise back up on its open. It gained all that back. Yeah, we got lots of rain here in central Illinois. It's pretty much over now, but probably got an inch of rain over the last couple days. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow, we can build a snowman. And I think it's staying north. Forecast says no precip over the next 7 days now. Except for maybe a couple flurries. Just not supposed to get above freezing for the next 7 days either. Bopping back up here. Up to the 100 EMA. Hanging in those bands as it tries to grind up. Just touched the 100 EMA. Put its nose on it. Hopefully it wasn't a runny nose. Pulls back a little bit here as it's playing with the 100 EMA. If it does a down, an up, down, up move here. Big down. Remember, we got more news in 10 minutes as we walk through this minefield of news this morning. Big bearish engulfing candle here. Morning, CBR. How you doing? Break of the EMA. Bouncing a little bit though. Crude free falling. Ooh, crude free falling. Yeah. Down 60 ticks over the last 2 minutes. Short. Oh, wow. Bounce right as I went short. Cat. Might hear him asking for his back rubbed again. There we go. Come on, give me a push down. Hey, Joshua and G-Cart. Futures. Mystery Life Futures. Back to my entry. So I should have taken the 31 bucks. Hello, Arthur. Hits that EMA. Is it going to bounce back down for me? That'd be nice. There we go. Nice. Bouncing again. Darn it. There we go. It's not giving me 2 points. Who, Gossip? There we go. There's a move down. Take that there. Probably getting out too early. It was probably heading down more, but that ended up being 2.5 points. So that's a winner. And yeah, it continues to go. They got in with the break of this candle and just took it down. That was a perfect trigger. Pushing down. Our low over here on this one was 39.69. That's right. We have news in a minute. Could have got 2 more points out of that move, but there. It was a perfect bounce off that 100 EMA. So part of me says, you know, this gave me the same type of trigger on the 100, and I could have got in 2 candles sooner, and which could have been like 5 more points. There's a golfing back up, but obviously news coming. Let's see what that does. Shouldn't be as big as the other stuff, but we'll find out. 30 seconds. U.S. industrial production month over month. So far, not rocking our socks. Don't see the number yet. U.S. did the U.S. industrial production month over month negative 0.2. Forecast was just 0. U.S. capacity utilization 79.7. Expected was 79.8. U.S. manufacturing output month over month negative 0.6. Forecast was negative 0.2. Now at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. business inventories. At 10:30, natural gas inventories. That news report didn't really, the market didn't care. Market did not care one bit. Now we have the bell in 14 minutes. Good morning, John. How are you doing today? Here we are sitting at close to low day, trying to break through. Well, that sucks, John. But hey, hopefully you have some fun. Hello, Walter. As we still continue to grind down. Bullish engulfing here, back up. Where's crude at? Did crude bounce at all? Yeah, crude got down to 76.40 and bounced. I'm sorry, 76.03 and bounced. Natural gas taking off as well. So a nice candle up. 4 points. So you can see we're continuing to establish new lower lows there, there, and there. So we sit on the dock of the EMA. Back up. Trigger candle up. Ultra bond's kind of leveled out there. Right above that. Well, I shouldn't say right above it. 10 ticks above the 100 EMA. Are you taking that signal, Dakota? Ah, there we go. It's not taking it, but we'll watch it, see what it does. What you prefer, I guess. Walter had considered that. But yeah, what people prefer. Up, down, up move here, maybe? Maybe. Taking along here. Back down to my entry. There we go. Maybe. 2 ticks. 3 ticks. Back down to my entry point. Put over 5 minutes to the bell. Back to my entry. Back below my entry. See if it bounces off that EMA. If it breaks, I'll get out. Should have taken the 4 ticks. Out. Hate trading.
Bah! Humbug!
So it didn't really go much there. Looking for 2, coming back down. Technically a short back down here. I'm not getting in. It's too close to the bell. Crude oil. Wow, what a bounce on crude. You see here, it started coming down here, and then about 5 minutes after its market open, it dropped like a rock. And now, I mean, from the low point here, it's come up a full point. $1,000 move up in the back about to 25 minutes. So watch the ES and NQ on the 5-minute chart here at the open. So we'll watch, see what happens. 39.75 is where we're at right now. Less than a minute. Does the market buy up the sell-off, or does it just continue to blow down? Me down. Not 'Charlton Rose, thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Feel free to say hello in chat. And there's the bell. Ding, ding, ding. Silver bells and all that good stuff. And there we go. 4 points up. NQ up by 8, 9. 6 points. 13 on NQ. Seven points on NQ. NQ up 25, ES up 9. Big moves up here. The market's buying up some of this dip. Whoever gets the chips with it. Pull back a bit here. Hitting off that 200 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Down we come. Short side trade here. Let's see if I can get anything. Beautiful. Come on, come on. Give me a couple ticks. Ah, I wasn't fast enough to get out. There we go. Quick $25 win there on the short side. Could have stayed in for much more. Played that. I still have a 1 minute chart up on Tradovate on my other screen here, so I played the bounce. Basically, it was well up into the third band. And you can see it coming down. ES is giving back everything. NQ. Wow, NQ's now down 31 points. Oh, wow, I'm on a 1 minute chart there. Oops. 5 minute chart. Yeah, NQ's now down 32 points on this 5 minute after originally rising about 25 points, 30 points. So it's just been a 60-point reversal basically. Straight down. Trigger candle there. I did not take it. I should have. It would have been good. NQ down almost 40 points now. NQ's low of day 11,642. Yep, it just broke that low of day. ES low of day 39.67 half. Has not yet broken. And just as I say that, it does it. So twice now they did that. Crude oil dipping again there. Back under 77. Gold, kind of heading up a bit. But we're now down 50 points on the NQ on this candle. And an 80-point drop from the high of this candle, this 5 minute candle that has 20 seconds left. Wow, big move. Yeah, I could have taken that short on ES much further down. Wow. So this candle's about to close. This opening 5 minute candle. And for NQ, that candle closed at 44.5. ES, we closed at 5.5. Let's go back to our 1 minute chart. Boom. Why did I take that trade there? I didn't even see, obviously I didn't see, I don't have the 100 and 200 plotted. But this is a perfect bounce off the 200. I took the trade going here. It was also, I don't have the bands on, but it was also well up into the bands here. So it was a perfect reversal play. I just wish I had obviously stayed in for the extra 10 points. And that's where I'm only taking 2 points out of the big moves, and it's just not adding up. This would have been an actual trigger. I was in on this candle, but this would have actually been a trigger candle down. You see, it would be perfect, no heat on it either. Nice, Dakota. Now 39.65 where we're at as it continues to move to the downside. Continuing to move down. No idea why this line's here. Let's look. See if there's a reason for the line. Seems like that's a support area from back here. See if I can break it there at 39.62. Kieran! Hey, where you been, man? Worried about you. Just kind of disappeared. Oh, I'm still on an hourly chart. Oops. That makes more sense. There we go. Maybe found bottom here, 39.64. Oh, okay. It's definitely good to see ya. Big bounce. So we got down to 39.64 to quarter. Bounced up. That's about almost a 5-point bounce there. There's more than a 5-point bounce. Bouncing off the CMA. See if it comes up through. See if it breaks on through to the other side. Yep. Possible bearish engulfing back down. Oh, big move down actually. Wow, big slippage there on that short. Or did I go long? No, I went short. Short here. Seems to get a lot more slippage on the micro than I was on the mini. Stopped out. So I should not have done that play. That was stupid of me. I'm never gonna learn.
Bah! Humbug!
Nice, Dakota. Very nice. Dun. Right back down. That was kind of right. The way I should have played this should have been a Bob Anderson play. This was our swing low, follow it up, and then I should have had the order ready to go right there. So it was at 39.70, and it would have came down 5 points. That would have been perfect. Yeah, I recognized it after the fact, Matt. That was a perfect setup there. D -d 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 Yeah, I agree. It looks very good. Still hanging in this area here. Just broke. Trying to get down to, well, is that a new low? Oh, we hit 62 here somewhere. Maybe not. 64? Yeah, 60. So that is a new low there. 63.25. Back up. Long UV04. All right. Trying to play a bounce off that 20. Well, I have doubt he's playing the bounce off the 20. That's just what it looks like to me. And back down here on ES. Yep, nice move up there, and the Ultra Bond, nice bounce. ES trying to break through that resistance, that support line I drew several days ago. Oh wow, it's a bounce off of it. Should have put an order there, maybe. If I put an order there, it would have blew right through it. Back down to it. Do it to it. This was a nice bounce off that EMA. Could have played that as well. Dang. Well, at least you got a tick. And you know, with the Ultra Bond, a tick is a decent sized amount of money. Good morning, RJ. And we're back down. This is the third time we've touched this support line that I drew several days ago. There, finally broke through. And we're down to 39.60. That was a nice bounce off that EMA. $39.59, our new low. Crude oil pulled back a little bit. Gold, nice little rise up. Pulling back a little bit now. NQ down to 11,600. Ultra Bond hanging on its EMA. Ooh, that's an ugly looking chart on copper. Dow's falling, of course. Natural gas, a little bit of a pullback after several hours of rising up. Agriculture. Soybeans down at the open. Corn kind of up. Ten minutes to the top of the hour. Remember, we have another small news report. A little bit of a bounce here. 57 up to 64. Nice bounce. Very nice bounce. But coming right back down. Everybody must be concentrating. Y'all got really quiet. Ooh. So down there on the Ultra Bond. Yep. It was actually 1.5 million, but pulled back and got out at 1 million. Continues to push down here. 39.58. 39.57.75 was the low. For a long there, JC. Continues to grind. Pushing down. 39.55. The NQ down, hanging around 600. Lowest it's been now since this, well, besides that weird spike there on the 8th. 590 there. And 546. Same trading day. Just broke under 600. Strong move down ES. Down to 39.52. That was a big impulse candle there. Oftentimes this is where you see a bounce. You know, it's a grind down and then a big candle. But that said, it's not like I'm not taking a long there, and which was a good idea because it's continuing to push. Though it's not getting below that 39.51 yet. Don't catch a falling knife, as they say. Bob Anderson. Yeah, Bob Anderson's setup is something like this. In case you haven't seen his videos. So like here, you see this swing low here, then you kind of place an order here, then you place an order here after this candle closes, and then place an order here after this candle closes, and you wait for the move back down, and it enters at the bottom of that basically that last candle going down. That would have been a setup right there, and this would have been a setup right there for it. And Bob usually goes for 5 points. Still falling. Free falling. So you can see the massive fall over today. I mean, just this hourly candle, we're down 31 points. Wow, the last candle we were down 17. High today on ES was 40.43, so we're nearing a 100-point drop from the highs in Globex. Could you imagine going back 5 years or so and telling traders on the ES that ES was going to have 100-point moves back-to-back days? It's not giving me any warnings. Yeah, I did have to hit the live button. Anyone else having stream quality issues? Hit the live button if you did. And hear a little bit of a bounce there. Yankee down to 566. Sorry to hear that, JC. It's a good point, RJ. Still pushing down. Looks like we're one subscriber away from 1,200. Continuing to push down here. So this was the big trigger candle, which was right at the open. It pushed up at the open, failed there at the 200 EMA, pushed down, and that right from this point forward, we've come down 30 points. That been so nice to catch. Yeah, there we go. The reunion of Ace and RJ. He was here yesterday, Ace, but you bugged out early, so he came on and you were already gone. I tried to page you, but apparently you weren't listening to me at all yesterday. 39.41. So huge breakdowns here in the indices. If NQ gets below 536, then we're going all the way back to CPI day in November, since we were that low. Wow, RJ, wow. Crude oil? Oh yeah, I see that, Matt. Gonna watch it because I only have a crude chart up on my Tradovate. ES, gonna bounce a little bit here, down to 39.33. Great job on great job on that there, Leonardo. Hey, Borneo, how are you doing? Great job, Dakota. Definitely nice to see other people having success. Bitcoin dropping with the market. Lean hogs. Big drop there. Tried to come back up. Failed. Coming back down. ES with about a 5-point bounce there. Yep, I saw that Instagram as well. Glad to hear that you're still having a great day, Hassan. little past the top of the hour. A little less than an hour to go on the stream. Plenty of time for another losing trader. Another trader too. Give me 1 minute here. I'll be right back. Back. Market's taking a breath. Looks like just about everywhere. Ooh. Wow, copper just broke. It's really hard to break copper. Bends, you almost need a machine to do it. Now, RJ, that comment was in regards to Canadian futures traders' latest Instagram. He CFT posted on Instagram for those of you that missed it. Let me find the post again. Picking out the interior for my new $1.2 million condo arriving 2024. Montreal's tallest resident building, and I'm on a rather high floor. Trading futures for the win. All cash, by the way. I don't do debt. Visit my site if you're rowdy enough. It's all free. I don't need your money. So, I've never understood why someone would want to live in a condo. It seems to be a glorified apartment. And that's not the slam CFT in any way, but I just don't understand the why a condo. I would rather have a house somewhere. So this little bounce here, we got down to 39.33, back up to 39.40. He's paying Hassan. He's paying 1.2 million for it. I think he could afford a roof repair or a heating repair to have a regular house. I mean, it's a that just condo, especially. I mean, especially a high floor. I mean, I would not want to like bring groceries in. I mean, obviously you have elevators, but still. Yes, it's Saturday. He's acting like he's better. Crude oil dumped there. So, Matt, did you follow that all the way up, or did you stop at some one point in time? Are you? Oh yeah, and I agree, Hassan. I haven't been in a grocery store since 2018. Yeah, but if you're paying 1.2 million, you can pay someone to shovel snow and to mow your yard. I think condos, and I think that's way too many neighbors. I want a house away from everybody. Nice, Matt. That's just it, though. If I want to go out and build a snowman, I want to be able to do it in my own property and not build it with with 100 other residents of the building. And if someone, you know, on the second floor decides to blow up their kitchen, I don't want to have to decide between jumping to certain death or hoping someone rescues me or gets the fire put out in time. Oh, up to the EMA and back down. All one-step evaluations are 65% off today at Elite Trader Funding. Code HOLIDAY22. Just announced on their Twitter and their Discord. Someone wants to buy me a Christmas present? I'm kidding. Platform discounts. Oops. So you see ES is just kind of hanging right here. Oh, it's trying to send a long signal here. Just my mother. Hassan, what asset are you talking about there? Long here. A little late as usual. Stop looks incredibly close. Yeah, it's probably another stupid decision here. Oh my god, I got it in a point and a half late, really? Yeah, I mean, stopped out and I deserved it. I don't care anymore. That was stupid.
Bah! Humbug!
Uh, so 39.46 is where I should have got in. Instead, I got in at 39.48. Got in 6 ticks late. Now I still would have got stopped out, but you know. Yeah, it's being difficult right now. Back down to a TMA. Trying to see if it wants to bounce off the ZMA and back up. Nope. Down we go. Have a great day, Ace. See you tomorrow. So after that quick burst down on crude, 7 straight green candles, and now it's quickly trying to come down again. Sugar candle on ES, but at this point I'm no longer gonna trade for today. I just if I would have given us two. Yeah, yeah, would have. Why isn't? Oh, no, I don't know. Yeah, yeah, would have given us two. Bursting back up now, the green back up to has hanging around this EMA. Hi there, folks. If you're enjoying today's broadcast, stream, whatever you want to call it, please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Ace didn't take the time to threaten anybody today about it. Just hanging here. $43.50. All right. It's hanging right around that level. Now pushing. It doesn't know which way it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. All I know where it's been. Nice, Dakota. Same setup, Matt. Up, 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 up. Up, shoom, up, shoom, up, shoom. Wow, yeah. I guess if he followed there and got in there, this would have been 52, and it's down to 47. What kind? Well, it went down to 41. What kind of target are you looking for when doing that trade, Matt? And ES trying to pop back up here, just hanging right on the line. 20. Yeah, I'm not sure that's going to get 20. Your entry around 76.51 there, Matt. I had another EMA to the charts. People are gonna call me spaghetti man. Close. I was close. So far, it's gone 9 ticks based on that. We'll keep an eye on it as ES has gone totally sideways on us here. Crude's actually kind of going sideways now as well. What stop do you use, Matt? All right. It's a pretty good risk to reward. Yep. There we go. On ES making another leg down. Oh, not another leg. It's coming back down though. 39.33 is the low. We're still 6 points above. Have a good one, JC. Yep, another move down here. Keep an eye on that crude trade there for a minute, but yeah, see, this was the trigger. And boom ski. Well, could have, used the 2.2, 2.5 point stop. And boom, over. It's gone like 6 points, 7.8 points. Wow. Coming back up a little bit. Crude's just being indecisive. Down to 38. Still looking on to the short side there. But definitely on the choppy side of things. Watching crude just kind of hang there. ES popping back up as they crude. You still in that trade, Matt? We're at 10:30 Eastern. I forgot about crude oil inventory. I mean, not crude, natural gas inventories. Apparently, natural gas did not like its inventories. Oh, okay, Matt. Were the others sim as well, or just this one? Oops, looks like you got stopped out there, Matt. He has popped up. Ultra. Everything's kind of rangy now. All of a sudden, sideways. And wasn't it also number 3? Yep. Are we seeing a reversal here? Came down, could not reach new daily lows. Got close. Up, but I mean, we're definitely not moving fast in either direction. No NASCAR race here. But we are seeing a move up. So 6 minutes ago we were at 35. Now we just hit 47. So 12 points that quick. Nice move up. NQ hit a low of, it's like 526. Hang in here. 39.47-ish area. Have a great day, Dakota. See you tomorrow. Kind of hanging here. To figure out how to get my love of trading back. I used to wake up looking forward to trading. Now I dread it. Just kind of hanging here at 39.47. Crude taking off. So you saw crude down, up, down. Kind of double bottomed there. Back up. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And just couldn't get down any further than finally whoosh. Whoosh. Yeah, obviously, if I just tried to play, if I was on crude and just trying to play the 20 EMA break, it would have worked there. It would have worked there. But then I would have got in trouble here. This would have failed. Well, let's see. I shouldn't say that right away without checking. Yeah, depending on my style. Yeah, it would have failed either way. I mean, with a 20 tick stop, but I wouldn't want to risk 200 bucks. So that one would have failed. Then it tried again here. That one would have failed as well. So there have been two failures before finally getting here. Here is the break of the 100. And that one, it's going. hear that train. Oh yeah, look at that. Now see that big burst up there. That would have been a beautiful, play on crude. Good morning, Burl. How are things going? And we're continuing to see a little bit of a grind up, back up to almost 39.50 here on ES. So slow grind back up some. Crude pulled back after that move up. Nice. Burl, guess you need a second closet for all that gold. So we have about 15 minutes left. Tomorrow. I believe tomorrow's a light news day, but I think it's I know it's quad witching, so price can be weird on quad witching days. Yeah, tomorrow, well, I guess it's not 100% a light news day. Tomorrow at 9:45, U.S. S&P Services PMI flash, manufacturing PMI flash, composite PMI flash. So the U.S. S&P is flashing us 3 times at 9:45. So those can move the market. But all is now quiet on the Western Front. Oh, Tannenbaum. Pulling down here. This is a technically easy for me to say. Technically a trigger candle. Goes. I'm not taking it because the overall short-term trend over the last 10 minutes or so was up. So we'll see whether or not this works or not. It would have worked. This would have given me 2. Way more than 2. 4. That was a nice little pullback. The last 2 trigger motions. See, this is why I didn't take this one, because we started establishing what looked to be an uptrend, the white line. Last time it tried to come back down, it failed. Obviously, it would have worked, and it would have worked nicely. Worked back here as well. Obviously, we're still in the downtrend, and this is just ended up being just a long extended move back. We'll pull back or pull up or whatever you want to call it. Okay, Matt, have a good one. Tell work I said hi. So we got about 10 minutes to go. Don't think I'm going to take any more trades. And sitting here, sitting on the dock of the EMA. So let's take a final look at everything. This is copper on the day. Oops, blew up the wrong chart, blew up the pound. Ooh, look at the pound coming down. Anyway, try copper again. Copper, came down hard through the night, bounced, but now it's back down to its daily low. Gold, we talked about, huge move down, almost 40 points. It's toward the bottom of his range, staying under 1800, allowing Burl to fill up his closet, maybe his garage, with gold bars. Ultrabond made a new daily low and a new daily high since we've been on. I turned the bands on for that for a minute. Yeah, that was an awesome band bounce. That was a great play there. Let's move up. Crude made a slightly new daily low, getting down to 76.03. It's about mid-range now. And natural gas totally blew up. You can see where the yellow line was. This is when we started the stream. All the way up. Pull back since inventories. Yep, it's still pushing back down. So that 1030 reversal, obviously was a nice move up, but it's pretty much giving it all back already here. Here's the NQ on the hourly chart. Just a free fall. 522. So that did get down lower than last Wednesday. And we are now back to that November CPI report day where it just blew up. Like, close to 1,000 points that day. 800, something like that. How far will she fall? Yes, trying to test its daily lows. Daily low is 39.33.75. We're back down to 39.35. Lots of 30s there. Another push down. Yep, there we go. New daily low again. Look at that. Since that trigger, it's gone down 12 points. Hanging here at 39.34. So we're at 11 o'clock on the East Coast. It's 10 o'clock my time. Gonna call it here for the day. Hope everybody has a great rest of your day. We'll be back here tomorrow for the last day of the week. 7:30 Eastern Time as normal. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.